As Washington apples make their way to your marketplace, our growers, packers, and shippers follow strict guidelines and regulations to ensure that every apple is a quality apple. Every commercial orchard in Washington state is subject to the Food Safety and Modernization Act. Food safety is taken very seriously by our industry, and there are multiple checkpoints within the growing, packing, and shipping process that evaluate our apples for high standards.
We implement rigorous food safety standards that ensure that we're doing the best to begin this piece of fruit on its journey to the consumer in the safest fashion we can. And then we can put it in a box and put it in a truck and send it to our customers with a complete faith that we've sent them a high quality, world-class piece of fruit that is food safe.
It's always a constant process to make sure your packing line is clean, everything is safe, workers are safe. As soon as the apples come in, they are put in the tank. The tank washes them, it sanitizes them, it breaks up some of the natural wax and debris, and then it's brought up to the pre-sort. People in the pre-sort pull out large defects to try to get the apples ready to go through the line without spreading any fungus or pieces of fruit that might damage the machine. They're rinsed off. We have a hyper cleaner that can blow some of the debris and the decay off the apples so they're able to be seen when they go through the visual sorter. We check a sample of each lot that we're going to put on the load, and sometimes we do multiple samples of each lot. They take pictures, they number the defects, and make sure the fruit's in grade, make sure the fruit meets customer specifications. It's a visual inspection. Staff is trained, they know what to look for. We're checking for long-term storage issues like decay or any kind of breakdown that way. You know, checking the pressure, checking internals, checking temperature. New galas are hard, what's that, 18 pounds? Yeah. 18 pounds. You know, some varieties may show less pressure, like a golden, just depends on a lot for the variety and the size.
Every large orchard in Washington is also subject to chemical residue testing on its fruit. Washington apples undergo meticulous evaluation to ensure they meet these requirements and are safe to eat. Washington apple growers are committed to raising the safest and highest quality apples in the world. We're also committed to protecting our workers, and many orchards are implementing increased worker safety programs. When you bite into a Washington apple, you can be sure that it was grown by people who care about you and your family's health and safety.